This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status in WhatsApp. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to WhatsApp here. I have WhatsApp opened up now. To enable or disable your online status, you want to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go up to where it says Privacy and click on Privacy. Then at the very top it says Who can see my personal info? Last seen and online. Click on Last seen and online. And at the very top it says Who can see my last seen? You could choose here Who can see your last seen, and down below that Who can see when I'm online. Everybody or same as last seen. If you wanted to disable your online status to where people couldn't see it, you would choose the bottom one, and then you would choose Nobody up here. And then down below that it says if you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen and online. That is how to enable or disable your online status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.